Hello to all my wonderful viewers and to all our wonderful subscribers. If you are just coming inside this YouTube channel, this is Ultimate Tips for YouTubers. This channel is all about helping you grow your YouTube channel, helping you know how to edit your videos with the Adobe Premiere, and it's also here to help you on how to optimize your video with the YouTube algorithm. We are going to give you tips and tools on how to grow your YouTube channel, and we are also on a course of teaching you on how to use the Adobe Premiere from the beginner's guide. So if you are just coming inside this YouTube channel, you can subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss all the videos that are uploaded on this YouTube channel. For all those people that have been asking me which kind of lens did I use to shoot this video, I'm using the 50mm lens with the Lumix GH4. So the 50mm lens is what I'm using to have this portrait background behind me here. So if you want a portrait background, you can use the 50mm lens and any kind of lens that is below 35mm. You can have the depth of field and the portrait background behind you like this. So for you to get all these tips and tools, you can stay on tune here. We are gonna do a lot of tips and tools on how to use the camera, on how to set your camera for shooting, on how to take it flat, use the manual settings, the auto settings, so you can stay on tune. On today's video, we are gonna teach you on how to cut a video on the Adobe Premiere, on how to synchronize a song, or how to synchronize footages to start editing with the Adobe Premiere. So I'm gonna show you some tips and tools on how to cut and how to edit with the Adobe Premiere as a beginner's guide. So as we can see right now, we are gonna show you on how to cut a video with the Adobe Premiere. First of all, we are gonna continue with the testing project we did last time. I'm gonna continue from there. As you can see right now, the project is already here. We started with that. So testing project, this is cam 1 empty, cam 2 empty. So first of all, I'm gonna open the Adobe. I'm gonna open the project first. Let me just open the project before I bring anything inside the project. I will show you. First of all, I'm gonna explain some other stuff that you need to understand before editing the project. Let me just load this. It's loading. It's a little bit loading. While it is loading, let's go here and just come and search for Sam. Sam, let me just take one camera. Sam, day one, I need this footage here. Let me copy this and paste it on testing. Day one, paste it here. This is sample. It's gonna be a sample. Day two, cam 2. I'm gonna copy this. These are the two stuff I need to copy here. Cam 2, so cam 2 to synchronize. Let me come here, cam 2, cam 2. You see, I copied the files. Cam 1 is already there, the footage is there, and cam 2, yeah. Let me check here again. There is a footage with cam 1 that I needed. This one. Cam 1. So as I am opening the project, I'm preparing my files to synchronize, to cut. So cam 1, this is the footage, this one and this one. So you just check cam 2, this and this one and this one. So let's go back to the Adobe Premiere. So as you can see right now here, I'm sorry for the way the Adobe is doing. Is the OBS is kind of a little bit heavy. You know, we're recording with the OBS right now. It's a little bit heavy. So as you can see right now, I'm gonna go straight here and explain everything to you. Me personally, I don't know about another editor, but the way I used to edit with the Adobe Premiere, these are some tools that we need to discuss about. This is a ratio tool. This ratio tool, anybody that is familiar with the Adobe will know that this ratio tool is for cutting, and the pointer. The pointer and the ratio tool are the most important tools in the Adobe Premiere. I'm gonna focus on these tools here. So this tool here, the pointer and the ratio tool, are most used on the Adobe Premiere. So you just have to see when I start cutting, I'm going to use the razor and pointer to pick the footage and drag it to anywhere I want to drag it. So these tools here are important, but they are not that much important for now. So what we are going to do, before anything will activate here in this project here, you are seeing here, this effect control and anything that is here, before they will activate, we must have to import a project first. For me personally, I don't waste time. I just come here, I click on this and go back here. You know, when I rename it, it's here. This is project 1. This is cam 1 with footage 1. I will come and drag it here. When I drag it here, you have to wait for it so that it can render the generated files and so make it generate files. I used to put it here. Now, first of all, when this thing comes, this clip does not match the sequence settings. It means that, like, sometimes when you record on the camera with 1080p for 25 frames per second, 24 frames per second, you come here, the play is on 25 frames per second. So it is asking whether you still have to keep the project that you recorded with the camera, or you have to change it. So you still have to keep that project settings. So you keep it as it is, because in the beginning you already changed the settings from 29 frames per second to 25 frames per second, which is very close to 24, which we are editing and filming. So now, when you do this, you just have to play your project and see. You see? Now, when you do this, now I'm gonna show you. If you click on here, you see this is highlighted. This is the pointer. Now, if you click on the ratio, you come here, you cut. You see. With the ratio, it is cut. Now, to undo that, you can come here and undo. It will go back to normal. You see, it's back to normal. Then you click the pointer again. You can move it. With the pointer, you can move and drag it to anywhere. With the ratio, you can cut it. So for now, we are just going to concentrate on these two ones as a beginner. I'm going to show you on how to sync and cut. Sync and cut is the topic today. Sync and cut. Now, for us to sync this footage with the other footage, that is the cam 2, I'm going to drag the cam 2, that is the footage 1. I come here and drag the cam 2. Now, we are going to click on the Sam footage meeting the landlord. Sam was out. He has to come back and meet the landlord sitting. Now, as we can see here, Sam is. Now, you see this pointer here, this marker is called mark in. Then here is called mark out. Then we are gonna check on where we are gonna mark in Sam and come and sync it with this footage here to synchronize with the voice and use it to pick out Sam's footages on the footage. So to communicate with this footage here. So what we are gonna do is we are gonna play this and listen to where we are gonna listen. We are gonna listen where we are gonna sync Sam when the Sam comes. We are gonna listen and see where we are gonna synchronize Sam with the man here. So we are gonna synchronize this Sam come with this here. Yeah, it's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. We check that. So we are gonna mark in. It's gonna be alright.
It's gonna be alright.
You see here?
It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright.
You see from there?
It's gonna be alright.
You see? It's gonna
be alright. It's gonna be alright.
Yeah, it's gonna be alright. I'm gonna check on that here.
It's gonna be.
Here, it's gonna. Here. It's gonna be alright. You mark out here to take all the you see?
It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright.
This is mark out. You bring it up to here, mark. No, this is mark in here. Mark in.
It's gonna be alright.
You bring it up to here, mark out. Then here you just click this to return it back to where you mark in. Then from there you click this. You see? On the arrow here. Now you play this thing.
It's gonna be alright.
You see? It's sinking. You see? It's sinking now. So what we are gonna do is we are gonna drag this here. You see? This is the pointer. If you click on here, anytime you click on here, it's gonna help you drag. You do this, it's gonna drag. You do this, it's gonna drag. So then it's gonna help you drag. Then from here, you see. You see? You see? We drag here anytime you come here, you see? You see? Now to cut to the all that sitting down here, you have to click on here and click here and do like this. Now listen, you can just watch. See? You can click on the ratio. Click here. Also here. Click on here. Come here. Click here. The same the ratio and the pointer. You see? Now when you play this, when Sam is talking, you are gonna see Sam, and when the dad is coming. No, they are like 1 minute of that. Then you're gonna get the program. You see? So that is the simplest way of how to sing and cut. So all you need to understand on this video right now here is just here, when you sing the sound, when you want to sing, you just have to take a point of where you want to sing the sound. You come here, you mark out that point on the video here. You double click here, you have the video. Then you mark in. When you mark in, you come up to here, you drag this. When you take this thing here, you only have the video. But if you wanna click the video with the audio, you have to take this here in the middle here. You are gonna have the video. You see, the video and the audio is coming. So if you wanna take only the audio, you are gonna drag this. You see, only the audio. So if you want to take only the video, is this. Only the audio is this. But if you want to drag the video and the audio, you are going to drag them two together. So you return this. Don't forget, the most important part of synchronizing and cutting is you have to mark in, have a point where you have to synchronize, then you come and synchronize it. Then if you mark anywhere out here within here, you need all the full footage, you come up to here and mark out to the ending. So if you just mark in, you just click this and drag it here. But if you mark in and mark out here, only this portion here will come. You see, as you can see, only that portion will come. You see. But if you mark out all this, mark in and mark out all this portion will come. You see. And also, don't forget that the more you are adding footages, you see, this is gonna increase. So we are having deck 1, that is video 1, video 2, video 3, video 4. So the Adobe Premiere is very flexible. They're giving you more access to put more deck and more workspace and edit with the timeline. Here you are seeing is the timeline. Here is the monitor. This is the play. You know, this is the mark in for the monitor here. Here is like a screenshot. If you want to take a screenshot, here anytime you want to take a screenshot of this, you see this, you can click and have a screenshot of this here, what is on the monitor. So from there, if you want to fit, if the project is too heavy, you want to reduce the power, you can come here. You see, it will still reduce. It will run carefully. You see, it was very heavy. Now I came here, I reduced the size here. So it will reduce the RAM size that is running with the monitor, the software. So if you want it to run in 100%, it will be very heavy with the computer. So if you reduce here, you see the computer, the thing is playing normally. But if you come back here, it will freeze. Here it will freeze. You see the difference. You see the difference. You see. So those are the important things. Here you see full. You see quarter. You see here. You see here. This is the timing, and here is the settings, and that is the that is just simple as it is. Here is the audio when it is playing. You see the audio. We are gonna talk about the audio. Here we are having the audio 1, audio 2. If you are editing another audio here, the background audio here. So next time we are gonna show you on how to edit and mix, how to edit and just play around with the edits of your footages, and how to stylist and this Adobe add audio on your footage. How to add audio, we are going to talk about that, and how to stylist all these footages. You see, this is a simple video on how to sync and cut. Till next time, if you really like the video, you can subscribe and watch out for more videos coming on this course. That is the Adobe Premiere beginners course. This is Nura from the Gambia. You can still subscribe and support the channel. To all my wonderful viewers, if the video is really interesting and educative to you and really supportive, you can still click on the notification bell and write us a comment and tell us what do you feel about the video and how did you see the video, and at least suggest us some tips that you want us to bring on the next topic on the Adobe Premiere course. So if you are just coming inside this channel too, know that this YouTube channel is here to guide you on how to grow your YouTube channel, and also we are beginning a course on Adobe Premiere on teaching you on how we edit them on our basics and show you for a beginner's guide. So thank you. Till next time you come your way, you can still hit the notification bell and subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you will miss any content that uploaded on this channel. Thank you.